Hello students, welcome back to video lectures. After so long, we are starting video lectures. I started poster writing in Zoom, but because of some circumstances, it was not taken. So let's start with the writing skill, poster making. What is poster? You may have observed so many posters in newspapers, in magazines, etc. What are the posters meant for? They are meant for advertisement, for publicity. It means they convey the details of some product, of some institution, etc. So here poster, we all know that poster is meant for publicity. It means there should be catchy and bold title. You can use slogan, jingle or short words as title. You will make poster very attractive because attractive posters catch public's attention. So keep one thing in your mind, that you have to make a beautiful attractive poster. Here, while writing in exam, you will not use color pen or pencil. You will use only pencils. Okay, you will use only pencil, and after designing the poster, you will enclose it in a box. Then second thing is, first of all, you will write the catchy title. It may be the slogan, jingle or short words. Second thing is, you will provide all the important details according to the theme, such as date, time, venue. You may observe some posters for creating social awareness or giving the information regarding exhibitions or fair. So in such posters, date, time and venue are most important thing. So don't forget to add such details according to the theme. Then next thing is name of issuing authority or organizations. Name of issuing authority or organizations. It means, for example, if you are designing the poster regarding social awareness, for creating social awareness, then you may have observed the government of Gujarat or health department of Gujarat for COVID awareness. So such things you will add. It means name of issuing authority or organizations on whose behalf the poster is designed. Okay. Now I already explained you the purpose. The purpose of poster making is to display notices or advertisements. They displays notices and advertisements. Then it also creates social awareness related to current problems and needs. Current problem and needs. The posters create social awareness related to current problems and needs. Then it can be an invitation for events, rallies, exhibitions, food festivals, fairs, etc. For example, fairs में book fair, fun fair, etc. Food festivals, different cultural food, regional food festivals होते, exhibitions होते, rallies होती है, events होती है. Okay, so posters are meant for the invitation for events, rallies, exhibitions, food festivals, fairs, etc. Then which things you will keep in your mind while making the poster, while designing the poster. Here we are talking about writing posters for exam use. So here everything will be considered from exam point of view. Okay, use letters of different sizes and shapes. Here you are free to use the different fonts of letters and different shapes. Then draw some easy simple drawings or sketches. Simple drawings or sketches, for example, if you want something interesting, then you can create this bubble. Okay, here you can write different for example, you are writing the about book fair. Okay, then you will write English novels, then here with in this bubble you can write Gujarati novels for book fair. Okay, so you can draw this bubbles or some type of leaf designs for different categories. Then highlight the subject of poster. What is the subject of poster? You will highlight. You can highlight it with different font or colors of the slogan. Okay, but here in exam you can write only in different sizes and shapes of different letters. It means calligraphy is also there, italics are also there, bold letters are also there. Okay, cursive letters are also there, capital letters are also there. So these are the different shapes of letters. So you can use any of the font to highlight your subject. Then the last but not the least is enclose it in a box after writing. It is the most important thing. It is not formal writing, then also it will be enclosed after writing. Okay, now understood all of these things? Sample poster is given. What is the sample poster? India has recently started encouraging the use of electric vehicles. You all know about electric vehicles. They are very helpful to make the city clean and green. Design a poster to be put in your society to create awareness about the advantages of using an electric vehicle. How you should know all about electric vehicle. And you have to design a poster to create awareness among the people of your society regarding the advantages of using an electric vehicle. Give it a suitable title and slogan. This is the important thing, whether it is given or not, but you have to write the title or slogan. See here, the title is "We need electric vehicles badly." We need electric vehicles badly. See, this is the title. How I have written? I have written it in capital letters. Okay, then other thing that I want to highlight, but it is not the subject, then also I want to highlight that I have put in cursive letters. Okay, why you should switch to electric vehicles? Now different advantages are there. What is our title? We need electric vehicles badly. Badly means urgently. And the highlights of these posters are why you should switch to electric vehicles, why you should move towards electric vehicles. See, which are the points? Here you have to write it point wise, or if the content is small, you can make bubbles also. Okay, you may have observed in comics, किसी के डायलॉग्स होते वो किस तरह से लिखे जाते. But here the content is lengthy, so it is not possible here. Why should you switch to electric vehicles? Because fuel prices are skyrocketing. फ्यूल प्राइजेस हैं, मतलब कि पेट्रोल डीजल, द प्राइजेस ऑफ पेट्रोल डीजल आर स्काई रॉकेटिंग. स्काई रॉकेटिंग इट मीन्स rising every day. Then what is the second advantage? The second advantage of using electric vehicles is do not cause pollution. Electric vehicles do not cause pollution. Then the third advantage is deadly diseases such as cancer are on their peak, and electric vehicles will prevent us from the pollution, which is the main cause of cancer. Okay, then next one is you have to write the advantages. Electric vehicles are very cheap to operate. एक बार वन टाइम खर्च करना है. आफ्टर दैट इट इज़ चीप टू ऑपरेट, मीन्स मेंटेनेंस है वो कम है. देन नेक्स्ट वन, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सेवरल चार्जिंग स्टेशंस. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स तो ले लेंगे, but what is the important thing? The charging stations are available. Then next thing is government subsidy on purchase of electric vehicles. Subsidy, do you know what is subsidy? सब्सिडी है, उसमें ऐसा है कि कुछ परसेंट है वो गवर्नमेंट पे करती है या तो उसको टैक्स में से फ्री किया जाता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल सोलर प्लांट लगाना हो, उसमें गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी दे रही है ना. एलपीजी सिलेंडर में गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी होती है. देन घर खरीदना होता है तो प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना चल रही है. इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सब्सिडी ओनली. देन ऐसी हर एक चीज़ में जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं जिसे गवर्नमेंट एनकरेज कर रही है, तो उसमें गवर्नमेंट है या तो उसका टैक्स है वो हटा देगी या तो कुछ परसेंट वो सब्सिडी देती है. ओके, सो गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी ऑन परचेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स, इट मीन्स दे आर चीप टू बाय. नाउ अगेन आई हैव यूज्ड डिफरेंट फॉन्ट टू हाईलाइट द कंटेंट. हेल्प इंडिया to become clean green country, which is the most important advantage. Okay, help India to become a clean green country. Understood? Now I hope you understood. After completing this, see, I have enclosed it in a box. See, it is, I have enclosed it in a box. Okay, so same thing you will do. First of all, you will design the poster. After finishing, you will enclose it in a box. Understood? Okay, then in homework you have to design a poster on good qualities of a good student and give it a suitable title and slogan. Okay, you can draw pictures, small easy pictures, etc. here. And here in this poster, in sample poster, you can draw car, है ना. कार ड्रॉ कर सकते हो यहाँ पर. ओके, कार ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फिर यहाँ पर जो क्लीन एंड ग्रीन इंडिया है वहाँ पर ट्री ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, 1-2. ओके, फिर यहाँ पर इसकी बॉर्डर बना सकते हो पेंसिल से. सो यू कैन डू दिस क्रिएटिव वर्क and make your poster attractive. Understood poster writing? So in this way you have to write the homework poster writing, which is about the qualities of a good student. Understood? Now I will start with the next writing skill. Our next writing skill is email writing. Generally, we all know that emails are sent through using computers, laptop or Androids. So some points are already there in mobiles or in computers, but as we are writing for exams, some points you have to keep in your mind which are very important. The first point is date is automatically generated but must be written for evaluation. Evaluation means for exam, but in computers, in laptops or in cell phones, date is automatically generated when you generate the email. Then must be written in box while writing in exam. Again, after completing the writing of email, you will enclose the whole email in a box. Then greetings, salutation and closing rules are same as in formal letter writing. Okay. Greetings, salutation and closing rules are same as in formal letter writing. Now, formal letter writing, you are writing subject, then salutation and greetings and closing, all the things, subscription, all the things are same as formal letter writing and formal email writing. Only the starting format is different, which is automatically generated this much, automatically generated in computers. So what is the format? First of all, you will write date, on which date you are writing the email. Then from, it means you will write your email ID. Email ID. Okay, you will write your email ID. Then to whom you are writing, you will write that form, that person's, that institution's email ID. Okay, then subject. Like formal letter, here also you will write the subject. Understood? Then salutation. If you are writing formal email, then you will write dear sir or ma'am. If you don't know who is the person, you can write sir oblique ma'am. If you know that the person is male, then you can write sir. If you know the person is female, you can write ma'am. Okay, but if you are not sure, you will write sir oblique ma'am. When you are writing an email to your friend, to your relatives, you will write my dear friend or the name, dear, whatever it is. Then after salutation, you will leave one line and write main content. Main content means main body of email. Then at least you have to write two paragraphs of main content. Okay. Then for subscription, you will write yours faithfully for formal email. For formal email, you will write yours faithfully. Don't put apostrophe here. यहाँ पर किसी को भी apostrophe नहीं लगाना है. Okay. Only write yours faithfully for formal email. And for informal, you will write your affectionately. Okay. Then if name is provided, you will use that name only, and if name is not provided, you will write XYZ. Understood? And because it is computer generated, signature is not necessary, while in formal letter we are putting the signature. Now let's start the sample email writing which I have given here. Write an email to the principal of a neighboring school informing her of the competition and requesting her to send a team to participate in the competition. Now here you have to write the email to द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेबरिंग स्कूल. तुम्हारे पास वाले स्कूल के जो प्रिंसिपल हैं उनको कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेने के लिए, टीम भेजने के लिए, रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए आपको ईमेल लिखना है. हियर एवरीवेयर हर इज़ गिवन. इट मीन्स शी इज़ मैट, द पर्सन इज़ फीमेल. डेट 21st July 2020 as I have written it last year, but you will write the current date. Then from, because you are writing on behalf of your school, you will use the email ID of your school. But if you use your personal your personal device, then you will write your own email ID. यानी कि अपना पर्सनल यूज़ के लिए अगर लिख रहे हो, you will write your own email address. Then to whom you are writing, the principal, Vedant school. Then generate the email ID. Now you all know that how to write the email ID. ईमेल आईडी कैसे लिखना है वो सबको पता होगा. gmail.com ये सब होगा ईमेल आईडी में. ओके, यहाँ पे एड्रेस नहीं लिखना है सोसाइटी का, घर का. ओके. देन सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट हियर? इंटर स्कूल डांस कॉम्पिटिशन. हियर ओनली कॉम्पिटिशन इज गिवन, but you will add by your own dance competition or fancy dress competition, whatever it is, you can add by yourself it if it is not specified. So inter school dance competition, this is the subject. As I told you, we all know the person is female, so dear madam, salutation. After that, write the main body. Our school is organizing an inter-school dance competition for the students of classes 8 and 9. It will be held on 23rd July 2020 from 10 to 4 p.m. in Pandey Hall of Iris School. Okay, here inter-school dance competition is there for which classes? 8th and 9th. When? 23rd July 2020. From timing is 10 to 4 p.m. Where? Venue? Pandey Hall. Please send a team from your school to participate in the competition. Here we are requesting to send a team, so we can write, please send a team from your school to participate in the competition. Now, more about the competition. It will be a group dance competition with the team not comprising more than 8 students. Now, what type of dance competition is there? It is not individual dance competition, it is group dance competition. So there will be different teams not comprising more than 8 students, means each team will consist maximum 8 students. Okay, so all the rules you will write. Then in next paragraph you will write, we look forward to your school's participation. यानी कि आपकी स्कूल भी पार्टिसिपेट करे, उसके लिए हम लोग वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. देन लीव वन लाइन एंड राइट थैंकिंग यू, योर्स फेथफुली. इफ नेम इज गिवन, राइट दैट नेम. इफ नेम इज नॉट गिवन, राइट XYZ and write the designation, secretary, dance club or cultural activities. Understood? So this was the formal email. Now students, have you observed it is written in box, enclosed in a box. So after writing the email, you will enclose the email in box. Understood? So in exam, 2 writing skills we have completed: poster writing and email writing. Other 3 writing skills are report writing, diary writing and essay writing. I hope you know how to write diary entry, a report or an essay, because it was explained so many times in class and in lectures also. Try to write the writing skills properly. Get the efficiency to write, to use good words, to use new words. Expand your knowledge by reading the books so that it will be easy to write writing skills. That's all for these two writing skills. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye.